Over the past 30 years, anyone that has camped on a Thermarest sleeping pad has used our classic valve, known for its durability, easy-to-use design, and repairability. This reliable performance has been a feature on generations of our award-winning sleeping pads. However, we saw opportunities for our valve to be even better. Our goal was to not only maintain our classic valve standard for ruggedness and simplicity, but to offer backpackers and campers the absolute best experience at camp. During the process of designing our new valve, we built over 100 prototypes and spent more than 500 nights testing valve concepts out in the field, ensuring that the next valve met our high-performance standards. For the next evolution of our tried-and-true valve, we engineered the wing lock and the twin lock valve to deliver ease of use, reliability, and improved functionality. The valve's intuitive inflation and deflation uses familiar motor skills, making them as easy to use as a water bottle cap. As mountaineers and backpackers, we understand how backcountry conditions can push your gear to the limit. The valves were put through countless tests, ranging from extreme heat and cold to dealing with dirt and grit to make sure they met our high-performance standards. Finally, we improved the functionality with one-way inflation to keep air from escaping and better airflow, inflating your pad up to 3 times faster. The winglock valve offers the high performance and simplicity that every backpacker desires. This valve is similar to our classic valve, with several changes and improvements, the most obvious being the valve's wings. To provide easy inflation, we built the winglock with a one-way valve, preventing air from escaping during inflation. Twisting these wings allows the mattress to quickly deflate by opening the one-way valve. Another visible change is the size of the valve. While it doesn't add much weight, the winglock provides the perfect amount of airflow during inflation and deflation, allowing you to inflate the pad up to 3 times faster than our classic valve. Built to function in harsh conditions and temperatures, the shape and design of the valve cap make it easy to operate even if you're wearing gloves. The valve itself is positioned comfortably off the sleep surface, keeping it off your back during nights at camp. Unlike valves built into the surface of the sleeping pad, the winglock can be easily repaired if damaged. This keeps your pad in your pack and out of the landfill. We also worked hard to make our valve as intuitive as possible, picking up where our classic valve left off by utilizing motions we use on a daily basis. Anyone that has opened and closed a water bottle understands the simple steps to use the valve. To use the winglock valve to inflate your sleeping pad, open the valve cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Use a pump sack, electronic pump, or breath to inflate your pad. The one-way valve will prevent air from escaping. Our studies on years of Thermarest pads have shown that breath inflation is perfectly safe for you and your pad. Once the pad reaches your desired level of support, simply twist the valve cap clockwise to close. If you need to bleed a little air to find your preferred level of support, open the wings and gently twist the valve counterclockwise to allow a small amount of air to escape. Close the valve once you've reached your desired level of support. When it's time to break camp, you'll need to open the one-way valve. To do this, you'll want to twist the wings all the way open. Once the wings are open, you can twist the valve cap counterclockwise to deflate your pad. Roll your pad from the bottom towards the valve for even quicker deflation. For our larger sleeping pads, we developed the twin lock valve to be reliable, easy to use, and offer excellent airflow. The idea behind the twin lock is simple: 2 rugged, easy-to-use, one-way valves to keep air flowing in or out of your pad. The in valve is larger and more efficient than our classic valve, inflating pads 3 times faster thanks to the maximized airflow. On the other hand, the out valve can be opened completely, which deflates larger pads up to 5 times faster than our classic valve. To inflate your sleeping pad with a twin lock valve, open the in valve cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Use a pump sack, self-inflation, electronic pump, or breath to inflate your pad. The one-way valve will prevent air from escaping. Once the pad reaches your desired level of support, simply twist the in valve clockwise to close. The out valve allows you to gently bleed air with a partial twist, or quickly deflate the pad by twisting the cap completely off. Twin lock self-inflating pads feature a one-way out valve to prevent air from re-entering and self-inflating your sleeping pad. The combination of these twin valves makes inflating and deflating your larger sleeping pads a breeze. allowing you to pack them up quickly and spend less time breaking camp. Carefully designed and meticulously tested, our valves promise durable performance, an easy-to-use design, and improved functionality during inflation and deflation. To check out the award-winning sleeping pads that feature the wing lock and twin lock valves, head to thermarest.com. Like this. This is not this.